Hi, are you having trouble getting the speed on your VFD to remain stable? This may be due to your potentiometer being damaged. The first step you're going to want to take is ordering a new display board, which includes a new potentiometer. While we wait, we can do an emergency reprogramming by using the keypad instead of the potentiometer to control the speed. Let's get into it. We're going to press the program/display button. The display will show 00.00 with the second 0 flashing. Press the up arrow twice to change the display to 02.00. Then press the red/enter button. The display will now show to 0001. Press the down button once to change the display to 0000. Next, press the red/enter button again to accept the change. The display will show N for a second change back to 02.00. Press the program display button again to return to the run mode. Now the knob will not work, but you can change the speed by using the up and down buttons. Once you set a new speed, you'll need to enter it by pressing the red/enter button. And that is how you reprogram your KBDA VFD to remain stable while you wait for your new potentiometer to arrive. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-668-2268 or at sales@cpsystems.com. We'd be happy to answer all questions. Also, please give us a follow on social media. We really appreciate it. Until next time, thanks.